In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to receive invoice payments in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know how to open an invoice, add your customer, and make sure online payments are activated so clients can pay you quickly and securely. Start by heading to QuickBooks Online in your web browser and sign into your company. You'll land on your dashboard or the Get Things Done page depending on your view. This is your hub for creating sales forms and it's where we'll begin. Next, open a new invoice. Look for the Create button, sometimes labeled New or the plus icon, and choose Invoice. This opens the invoice form where you'll enter who you're billing and what you're billing for. If you don't see Invoice right away, use the search in the menu or scroll the sales options on that same Create menu. Now, add your customer to the invoice. Click the Customer field and select an existing customer from your list, or choose the option to add a new one. If you're adding someone new, enter their basic details so the invoice is addressed correctly, including their email address if you plan to send it electronically. It's a good idea to review the billing address, payment terms, and due date while you're here so the expectations are clear. If the customer has open credits or a preferred delivery method, make sure that's reflected as well. Before you send an invoice expecting to be paid online, make sure your payments are activated and the invoice payment options are turned on. In the invoice, look for the Online Payments section and enable the methods you want to accept, such as cards or bank transfer. If QuickBooks prompts you to activate payments, follow the on-screen steps to complete your business details and connect the bank account where funds should be deposited. This is a one-time setup and ensures your customer sees a Pay button on the invoice. While you're in the form, complete the rest of the invoice details. Add your products or services, quantities, rates, and any taxes. You can add a message or memo to outline what's included, late fees if applicable, or instructions your customer might need. Take a moment to review the invoice number, the invoice date, and the due date. They're important for both your records and your customers. If you allow ACH payments, note that fees are usually lower than cards, and choosing the correct deposit account now will save time later when reconciling. Once your online payment options are active and your invoice details are complete, your customer can pay directly from the invoice they receive, and the payment will flow into QuickBooks for easy tracking. That's it. Simple, clear, and ready to get you paid faster.